Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you revision in science for 6th standard. Okay, this is your annual revision, children. From this, only you'll get for your annual exam. So those who have the book, take your books fast. And even your class works also side by side, you have to keep with you, children. And I'm going to give you from 4 lessons. Okay, that is number 1, lesson 1, magnetism. Then lesson 3, chemistry in daily life. And lesson 4, our environment. And lesson 5, plants in daily life. From this 4 lessons, I'm going to give you annual revision. Okay. Now first we'll see from the lesson 1, magnetism. So first we'll see choose the correct answer from all the 4 lessons. Okay. So first, lesson 1, magnetism. So already we have written there. So lesson 1, choose. Okay. Now we'll see, choose the correct answer. An object that is attracted by magnet, that is 1, B, plain pins. Okay, 1, B, plain pins. Then second one, people who made Marinus compass for the first time, that is C, Chinese. Then third, a freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in the dash direction, that is D. North, south direction, that is questions I'm going telling you orally, children. So listen the question carefully, okay. Then fourth, magnets lose their properties when they are, that is C, hit with a hammer. Hit with a hammer. Then fifth one, that is Marinus compass is used to find the C direction. C direction. This is from your lesson 1. Okay. Now next we'll go to the lesson 3. Okay. So now lesson 3. So in lesson 3, first 2 when I took class for you and when I gave you the objectives and all, this first two I didn't give it to you. Okay. So now next you'll write 3. Gypsum is third one, children. Gypsum is added to the cement for, that is first 2 no need. Gypsum is added to the cement for B, delayed setting. Delayed setting. Okay. Then fourth one, phenol is, that is A, carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Then fifth one, natural adhesives are made from C, starch. Okay. So now from this lesson only 3, 4 and 5. Then lesson 4 we will take now. In that, choose. Okay. In this all the 5 you have. That is lesson. What lesson I said? Lesson 4. That is from our environment. First to choose. Identify the freshwater ecosystem. That is D. All of them. Okay. Then second. Producers are dash. C. Plants. Then third. It is a biodegradable waste. That is B. Coconut shell. Coconut shell. Okay. Then fourth, it is undesirable change that occurs in air and water. That is C. Pollution. Then fifth one, usage of chemical pesticides and fertilizers causes dash pollution. B. Water pollution. Okay, children. Okay. The next is lesson 5. Okay, so it's totally 4 lessons is for you. Okay. Now next we'll go to the last lesson, lesson 5. In that, choose. And then all this all 5 you have. Lesson 5 first to choose. One of the following birds is an example of plant pollinator. That is C. Hummingbird. C. Hummingbird. Okay. Then natural mosquito repellent is D. Neem. Third, which of the following is not a root? That is A. Potato. Then fourth one, which of the following medicinal plants has anti-cancer properties? That is C. Turmeric. C. Turmeric. Okay, children. Then, which is the national tree of India? C. Banyan tree. Okay, have you all finished this? Okay, all the choose you have finished from all these 4 lessons, children? Yes? Now next we'll go to the fill in the blanks. So now for choose we have finished from all the 4 lessons. Okay? Now we'll go to fill in the blanks. So you have all completed this. So take down neatly in your class, take your classwork, children, and you can put annual revision, take a new page, write down annual revision, and you can write all this in your classwork. Okay, and then it will be easy for you to learn for your annual exam. From this only you will get for your exam. Okay, next is fill up. Lesson 1, fill up. Okay, first one we are going to write. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as dash, dash and dash. That is oval, disc and cylindrical. Okay. This is 3 dash oval, first dash, second dash disc and third dash is cylindrical. Then the materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic substances. Magnetic substances. Okay, children. Then next, paper is not a dash material, that is magnetic material. Then fourth, in olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of lodestones. Then fifth one, a magnet always has dash poles, 2 poles. Okay. Now next we are going to go to lesson 3 now. Lesson 3, fill up. Okay. Lesson 3, fill up. In this, only 2 you have. That is third and fourth. Okay. That is, dash is called as farmer's best friend. That is earthworm. Okay. Earthworm. The next question, fifth. Dash fertilizer is eco-friendly. Organic. Okay. That's all. Then from lesson 4. Next we'll go to the lesson 4, fill up. The 5 we have now. We'll see page number 64. Primary consumers that eat plants are called herbivores. Herbivores. This is page number 64, children. Okay. Then next, temperature, light and wind are dash factors. A. Biotic factors. Okay. Then next, dash is the process of converting waste materials into new materials. Yes. Recycling. Okay. Fourth, water pollution can spread dash in man, that is disease in man. Then fifth, the 3 R's are reduce, dash and recycle, that is reuse. Okay. This 5. Next we'll go to the last lesson, that is lesson 5. Lesson 5, fill up. Yes, page number 77. First one. Every year, October dash is celebrated as World Food Day, that is 16th. Then second, dash is an example of textile fiber, that is cotton. Okay. Then I am the state tree of Tamil Nadu. Who am I? That is palm tree. Listen the question carefully, children, okay? The juice of the leaves of dash plant relieves cough and bronchitis. That is tulasi. Okay? Then fifth, the edible seeds of leguminous plants are called pulses. I mean, take it down from all these 4 lessons, fill up, children. From all these 4 lessons, it will come, okay, for your exam. So, have you finished your fill up? Listen to the questions carefully, children. Question I am telling you orally. Okay, only the answers are written on the board. So, listen to the question carefully. So, next we are going to see analogy. Okay. Next is analogy. This analogy you don't have in all the lessons. Okay. That is, we'll see in our first lesson now. In the first lesson, did you see analogy? No. Okay, you don't have analogy. We'll go to the third lesson now. In third lesson, in third lesson, page number 45, you can see that is Roman number 6. Okay, that is lesson 3. Okay, lesson 3 you can see. That is urea, inorganic fertilizer, vermicompost, organic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer. Then that is first one. Second, dash natural adhesives, sellotape, artificial adhesives. That is starch dissolved in water. Starch dissolved in water. Okay, this is a third lesson analogy. Then next we'll see fourth lesson you don't have. Then fifth lesson analogy. Yes, that is page number 77, lesson 5. Okay, now first one, mango fruit, maize cereals, maize cereals. Then second, coconut fiber, rose ornamental, ornamental. Then third, bees pollinate insect, earthworms, natural manure, natural manure. Okay, children, in this analogy is over. Next we will go to the lesson 1. You have some circle the odd ones and give reasons. Okay, that is lesson 1. Circle the odd one and give reasons. Okay, so this you have. So in that, first is iron nail, pins, rubber tube and needle. So answer is rubber tube. Okay, so that is rubber is a non-magnetic substances, others are magnetic substance. What you will write? What you will underline? Rubber tube. So what you will write there? Rubber is a non-magnetic substance, others are magnetic substance. Next, number 2 is lift, escalator, electromagnetic train and electric bulb. So first one what I said? Rubber tube. Okay, you have to underline. Second is electric bulb, you have to underline. So what answer you will write? What the reason you will write there? That is electric bulb does not have magnets, others have electromagnets. What will you write? Electric bulb does not have magnets, others have electromagnets. Then number 3, attraction, repulsion, pointing direction and illumination. So answer, what you will underline there? Odd one, illumination. And what you will write there? That illumination is not a property of magnet. Others are magnetic properties. What you will write? Illumination is not a property of magnet, and others are magnetic properties. You will write like that. Okay. Next we will see page number 13. This is from the lesson 1, children. Okay. This is page number 12. Okay. Now we'll go to the page number 13, same lesson. In that you can see Roman number 7. Substances attracted by magnet, substance not attracted by magnets. First we'll write substance attracted and not attracted. This is attracted and not attracted. Okay, children. So first we'll write as what and all that is. Okay. First is they have given plain pins. They have given plain pins. Then what you will write next? That is nail, iron rod. Then what you can write? That is needle, safety pin. Okay, this is all attracted. Then iron fillings. Okay, iron fillings. Then key, then knife. Okay, all these are attracted by magnets. They're not attracted. They have given already chalk piece. Okay, chalk piece they have given. So for that, next you can write wood, glass, plastic, wood, glass, plastic, wood, glass, plastic. Then paper, wax, rubber. All this you can write, which is not attracted. Okay, and next is leather. All these are not attracted by magnet. Okay, so this also you have, that is Roman number 7 in page number 13. That is, write down the names of the substances they have asked. Side heading is write down the names of the substances. This is the side heading. Okay, that is attracted and not attracted, you have to write. Okay, children, do you understand? So I have given you fill up and choose, and then analogy from the 2 lessons, that is lesson 3 and lesson 5. Okay, analogy is both from the lesson 3 and lesson 5. And next lesson 1, circle the odd one and give reasons. So reasons I have told you. So this and all you have to underline. And next write down the names of the substance, same lesson 1. All this it should be thorough. This you will get for your exam, children. Okay. Learn for the exam properly. The next class I'll give you the true or false and match, children. Okay. Thank you.